Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing cherries. First, let's draw the stem. We're gonna make 2 cherries. That's why we are making 2 stems. Draw a small curve at the end of each stem, and then a circle for the cherries. That's one on the left. Now let's do one on the right. Let's draw 2 leaves, one on the right and one on the left. And now let's color. Color the stems green while the leaves also green, but I'm gonna use 2 shades of green for the leaf, the darkest one and another shade of dark green. Of course, the cherries are red. Use your crayon to draw a crescent inside each of the cherries to make it shiny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.